Welcome back to today's Morning Report Chart Analysis on Wednesday the 11th of May with me, Richard Perry, Market Analyst at Antec Markets. Let's look at dollar yen. And we've had this rally on dollar yen in the last sort of a week and a half. And is it beginning to roll over? Because we've seen some correction overnight. It's about sort of 50, 60 ticks down on the day now. And that's unwinding most of yesterday's candle actually. You've seen this bullish 2 candles in a row where basically the market sort of opened positively and didn't ever really reverse that move, but suddenly now we're starting to see a correction coming back. But it's interesting because the RSI hitting 50 in March, turning lower, hitting 50 yesterday, turning lower. Is this already the limit of the rally? Now, I've been talking about the fact that I still see an ideal sell zone, probably around about that sort of 109.75 area towards 111. 111 being this old big key floor here from February, March. Sort of a sell zone between there. That would be ideal, but already we might have seen the limit of this rally setting in, because the bulls seem to be sort of losing momentum in this rally. Look at the intraday hourly chart. Seem to be rolling over. You've got a bit of a bearish divergence on the RSI. MACD lines crossing lower, and the sort of decline that has sort of continued into the European session could now come back to test what I see as sort of the initial support around 108.25, which are these couple of lows that we saw sort of Monday into Tuesday morning. If you see those lows broken to the downside, I think that would continue the correction. Look out for the RSI below 30 on the hourly chart as well. MACD lines moving below sort of neutral on a consistent basis as well would be sort of more corrective. And it'll be interesting to see if now we see the reaction high that we've seen at 109.37, if we start to see a lower high forming. Because look at this 21-hour moving average. It's been a pretty decent basis or gauge over the past couple of weeks, isn't it? And now beginning to turn lower at 109 figure. So could it be that 109 figure area, which would be a bit of a near-term reaction high? It would also come in as a bit of a pivot as well near term. The reaction low that we saw yesterday, 108.95, has capped a minor rebound as well. So around that sort of 108.90, 109 area seems to be around about where we could see the limit today. A bit of a pivot forming, so that could be where the next lower high comes in, if this is to be sort of the beginning of a corrective phase once again, or the downside phase. So it's interesting moves on dollar yen, which are sort of impacting across markets really, or across the forex markets at least. And could this be the end of the dollar rally, as or certainly the near-term dollar rally anyway? So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.